Warning. Before starting the installation, make sure that there is no voltage on the connection cables. Activities related to installation, connection and adjustment should be performed by a qualified electrician who has read the operating instructions and the functions of the device. General description. The time programmer ZCM-11 is a device that controls circuits in a weekly cycle. The programmer automatically starts and stops circuits at the selected time on a given day of the week. The programmer has A1 and A2 terminals for connecting the power supply. IN terminals connects external control buttons. The contact pins of the relay are at the bottom of the device. Terminal 11 is the input 16-amp relay terminal. Terminal 12 is a normally closed NC type. Terminal 14 is a normally open type NO. The programmer automatically starts and stops circuits at the selected time on a given day of the week. The cover is ready for sealing, which prevents unauthorized setting by third parties. After opening the protective cover, you can see the illuminated display. It's a simple and clear interface. Below the screen are located device settings buttons. The side panel has a device diagram and basic technical data. Assembly of the device is facilitated by spring clamps. The device main menu. The ZCM-11 device has an LCD display and a keyboard used for device settings. The display shows current time, current date, current relay status, recent device operating mode, day of the week, information about the day saving time, winter or summer time is given. The hand-marked button starts the manual operation of the device. The device can be manually switched on or off. Relay status is shown on display. The arrow buttons are for navigate between the settings, as well as to choose the device settings. The OK button confirms the entered settings. It initiates the programming procedure as well. The clock button changes the device operating mode, from manual to automatic. Enter the program menu by pressing the OK button. The first sub-menu labeled prog is used to set the switch on and switch off time. The time sub-menu shows and modify the recent time. The date sub-menu shows and set the current date. The time auto sub-menu change day saving time to summer mode, and manual selection of the current time, winter or summer. The RAND sub-menu sets the program as random work. The input sub-menu allows setting the programmer's reaction to the trigger input IN. The pulse submenu sets the time in the pulse mode of the device. The switching time of the relay is given in seconds.